Importance of air conditioners and their installations. Air conditioners have helped a lot in making human life more comfortable. But, to get the best out of your air conditioning system, it is vital that you know some important things before investing in one. Whether we talk of commercial or residential purposes, we have to make sure that our air-conditioned system is optimally used. The usability and durability of the system directly affects the comfort of the inhabitants of the building. When getting new HVAC systems, you need to be vigilant from the beginning. The quality of any product directly reflects the durability and the degree of upholding it would require. Getting the best quality of products initially may imply a heavy investment at that time, or you might even have to go over and above your budget, but in the long run, you will get the opportunity to save costs of constant repairs, which not cost you a chance but also topple the efficiency of the machinery. Top quality brands would always perform better than some local made products. Once you have decided which product you want to buy, you also need to determine that the maintenance of the machinery is timely and properly. The best of machinery can be rendered unless if not taken care of properly. One more thing that is important to the life of the air conditioning system is the type of air conditioner installation you get done. You may pay out an excessive amount the air conditioning system, but if you try and more importantly save a few dollars by getting the installation done by inexperienced persons, your complete investment might topple the drain. It is always better to get the systems installed by professional. Proper installation can increase the life of your machinery by numerous times and is also the best and suitable choice. Normally, the company from which you are buying the ACs may offer free installation. If not, it is better to pay a certain small amount at that time than to see the machinery being wasted due to improper installation. Whether you have to get air conditions installed in a residential location or a commercial location, whether it is installation of split systems, installation of ducted systems, various multi-head systems, or light commercial systems, etc., getting in feel with experienced professionals is the best option that you have. It is always better to have good quality of product that makes your life comfortable. airmaxairconditioning.com.au is the perfect place if you are searching for affordable installation, air conditioner installation. http://airmaxairconditioning.com.au/service and repair solutions in Campbelltown. They offer lifetime installation warranty by giving you comfort and complete peace. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Jaron_George/1359596